Good morning, children. This is your 10th While Education lesson. Keep yourself healthy. Food is life. It helps the body grow. It gives energy for work. Yes, children. Food is very essential, necessary to grow, and it gives us energy. If there is no food, there is no life in this world. Okay. Some mother says, "It is so hard to make my son drink milk. My daughter doesn't like vegetables." Yes, children, this is a problem where each parent face because you people will trouble them. You will not drink milk. Some don't like it to eat food or vegetables or fruits also. Okay, so why you have to eat food, I'm going to tell you today. Your body is growing. The proteins in the food help you grow better. You are running and walking a lot. Carbohydrates and fats give you energy for work and play. Sometimes you get sick or get hurt. Mineral salts and vitamins protect you from diseases. Milk, eggs and vegetables give you protein. This makes a balanced diet. Yes, children. Here, why you have to eat the food? First question. And why food is life? If you don't eat food, then you will not grow. And what I said, food gives you energy, I told. If food gives energy, if you don't eat food, then from where the energy comes? So, and you will run, walk here and there. If there is no food in your stomach, then there is no energy released. So what will happen? You will fall ill. You will become weak. Carbohydrates and fats give you energy for work and play. Yes, children, carbohydrates like potatoes, okay, fruits, wheat, this is all carbohydrates. If you eat that, you will get energy to play. Sometimes, yes. So, whenever you work or play, you need carbohydrates and fats. And when you get sick and fall ill, okay, and what is that? Get hurt. If you fall somewhere on the road, maybe in the school, maybe at home, wherever you play, then what is helpful for you? That time mineral salts and vitamins will help you. Okay. Milk, eggs and vegetables give you protein. This makes a balanced diet. Yes, children, when you vitamins, salts, minerals, everything will protect you from diseases. Especially milk, eggs and vegetables give you protein, which makes you grow better. Okay, this makes a balanced diet. The food which contains protein, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals and salts are called a balanced diet. Balanced diet means in that whatever you need for your body is there. When you refuse to eat or drink, you also make your parents unhappy. That certainly is not a sign of good child. Rice, wheat, potatoes and fruits contain carbohydrates. You need to eat the right food in right amount at the right time. Eat the food your parents give you. Yes, children. Yes, children. So, whatever your food, your parents give you food, you have to eat. If you don't eat, they will feel unhappy. And if you don't eat food properly, then that is not a sign of good child. That means you will never grow properly. You will not have the energy. Okay, you will not be a healthy child. Now, how to eat? Oh, Miss has told to eat me. So you must not eat the neighbor's from the neighbor's food also. From neighbor's plate also. Okay. You have to eat how much is required for you. Not like eating in this from this hand also and that hand also. No. Whenever you eat food, You have to wash your hands before and after, and then how much is needed for you, that much only you have to eat. Yes, children, the food like rice, wheat, and potatoes, fruits contain carbohydrates, which gives you energy. And eat the food your parents gave you. Children, in some home, there will be no fruits, okay, every day. So, what you have to do? You must cry? No, you must not cry, because whatever your mummy will give you, that is more nutritious than the food which your friends are eating. What you will do? You will come from the school, go to the home and say, no, my friend brought pasta today, my friend bought Maggie today, I want that. I don't want roti or chapati. That is wrong, children. Okay, pasta, your whatever charts will be there, no? That all are junk food. It is not good for us. So you must not make your parents unhappy. Whatever your parents give, you have to take it in your tiffin. There are many poor children who have little to eat. They grow weak and fall sick. Yes, children, where the poor children will stay in the hut and all, no? If they don't, they will not have the food to eat properly. So what will happen for them? They will be weak and they will fall sick. Remember, never waste food. Many children in our country starve and die because of scarcity of the food. Yes, children, you must not waste. Some will play with the food during your lunch break. We have seen that. So you must never do that. Okay. So what you have to do? You must not waste the food. And so many children in our country, they starve. They starve means without food, without this one, in a hunger they will die. Yes. So what will happen? Many children in our country, they will die without food, starving. They will be begging here and there for one time food, children. And you are so lucky to have a good food and a good parents near you. So you must have the gratitude for them. You must not make them unhappy, neglecting the food what she gives. Make it a habit to share your food with poor and needy. Yes, children, if you find there is a poor child in your class, then you have to help them. Not only giving the food, buy some necessary things like maybe pencil, sharpener, whatever. Give food to the hungry. If you see somebody is very hungry and you have enough food, then you can share. So here completes your 10th lesson. Now we will go to the exercise.